Gixxer 155 or MT-15. So pag-usapan natin yung dalawang motorcycle yan. Both motorcycles is sporty looking, naked bike at maganda talaga yung dalawang motorcycle na yan. So alin ba mas pipiliin natin? Gixxer 155 or the MT-15? So yung sabihin ko is based on my experience sa paggamit ng dalawang motorcycle na yan. Since nagamit ko na yan dati pa, na long drive ko na yan, na test drive ko na yan, even pan daily nagamit ko na din dalawang motorcycle na yan. So yung MT-15 kasi is napaka-aggressive ng datingan. Tapos yung makina niyan is 4 valves, single cylinder, single overhead cam, liquid cooled, fuel injected, at may BBA po ang MT-15. So yung Gixxer 155 naman is 2 valves yan, tapos air cooled. Saka yung transmission niya is still naka 5 gear manual transmission pa din, unlike kay MT-15 na 6 speed manual transmission na yan. And then pagdating naman sa presyo, of course yung presyo kasi napakalaki ng difference. Kung kayo po talaga naghahanap ng motorcycles na sporty looking naked bike, gagamitin nyo even pang long ride, hindi lamang pang short ride, go for Gixxer 155 kasi yung presyo po niyan is nasa 105,000 plus lang yung cash spot niya may spot cash dyan so ganoon ang presyo. And then yung MT-15 kasi is napakalaki ng difference, nasa 180,000 yung kanyang spot cash. Kaya kung kayo po naghahanap ng motorcycle na budget wise, talagang tight lang yung budget nyo, pero gusto nyo talaga yung aggressive na dati nga na gagamit sa long ride or pan daily, go for Gixxer 155. Kasi yung Gixxer 155 kahit air-cooled yan, ay goods yan sa long ride. Marami na nakasubok niyan, tested na yan, pinapang loop nila, so wala namang problema, hindi na sila nag-overheat. Kung kayo naman po may budget din, gusto nyo talagang sulit yung features ng engines, 4 valves, liquid cool, tapos may BBA. Pagdating sa bilis, talagang walang masabi dyan si Gixxer 155. So correct me if I'm wrong, kasi nagamit ko na yung both motorcycle. Yung kasi Gixxer nasa 120 kph lang yung max speed niyan, then yung MT-15 pumapalo na yung 130 plus. So pagdating sa speed, walang masabi yung Gixxer 155 yan. Pero syempre, hindi natin laging habol yung top speed. Kumbaga yung comfortability. So yung kasing MT-15 is a master of torque. Talagang matorque yung MT-15 na yan. And then, masasabi ko yung Gixxer 155 is master of maneuverability. So napaka-stable kahit pitawan natin yung manibela. Pag tayo nag-drive, ay hindi magwawabble yan. Talagang napaka-stable yung manibela yan. And that is my experience sa dalawang motorcycle. So, kayong bahala kung anong pipiliin nyo. Kung kayo po may comment about these two motorcycles, let us know in the comment para mapag-usapan natin. Nga tayo palagi, ride safe, peace out, and follow for more.